Okay, today is our VS Track and Field Championships. We have invited primary school boys to come in and participate, but unfortunately due to the inclement weather, it's been raining since 1:30. We were not able to hold the races. So what we have done is, in order to not to disappoint the primary school boys, Mr. Loh, our principal, will do a lucky draw to give away trophies and medals to the participating teams.